Hello, I'm Ben.
I'm Saki, and this is
Literally speaking. Seki, why are you mumbling?
I'm not mumbling. I haven't drunk water yet.
Here, your wife poured you some water.
Thank you. Much better.
Did you know just now I can barely understand you?
That's what happens when we mumble. This happens to a lot of people. And if you're also a mumbler, you're watching the right video today because we are going to teach you how to stop mumbling.
And we're not alone because we're getting help from one of the most charismatic people of all time, Bruce Lee!
I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
The way he spoke was crystal clear, just like water.
Notice how he takes his time to enunciate each and every single word. Notice how he really uses his jaw and opens his mouth to speak.
Definitely not all of us talk like this on a daily basis. But if people struggle to hear what you say, you can try enunciating your words slower and clearer and stretch your mouth and jaw while speaking. It'll really help your audience or anyone who's listening to you to absorb your words more clearly.
Another factor that can affect how clearly people can understand you is your accent. There's nothing wrong with having an accent, but sometimes it can get in the way of people trying to understand you. One of the ways that we can help to reduce or control our accent is through tongue twisters.
Good idea! Perhaps you can demonstrate.
Sure, if you're a Malaysian Chinese like myself, we tend to have the difficulty in pronouncing words with the L and R sound. One of the ways that I use to help control my accent was to say red lorry, yellow lorry very quickly.
Demonstrate.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry.
Whoa! You have a very good tongue.
And you have a very good mouth. Perhaps you want to share with the viewers some of your own tongue twisters?
It's okay. I don't need to show off my enunciation skills on camera.
Oh, I see.
But there's many tongue twisters out there that can help reduce your accent and improve your enunciation. So feel free to Google it.
Don't get disheartened if you don't get it right the first time. Even we get it wrong sometimes. Take it slow. It is better to pronounce slowly and get it right than to go fast and end up mumbling.
All this enunciation reminds me. You used to study acting, right?
Yes.
Do you have any more tips you can share from your experiences as an actor?
Aha! One good vocal warm-up that I learned was the tip of the tongue, the lips, the teeth. Saying this line encourages us to articulate the common sounds made with the tongue, namely tongue, lips, and teeth. Seki, why don't you try?
The tip of the tongue, the lips, the teeth. So this vocal warm-up targets the commonly mispronounced sounds in a lot of words, especially teeth. A lot of people mispronounce teeth as teeth. the word ends with a th sound and not a th sound.
Exactly. The sound is quite foreign to non-native English speakers, as many languages from around the world does not have this sound. For example, like in the words mother, thin, and thank you.
Have you been pronouncing it thank you instead of thank you?
Hey, Blitz, you want a biscuit?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
No, thanks.
Are you sure? It's tasty. Try it.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
No, thanks.
What's with you? You want it or not?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
No, thanks.
Well, make up your mind! Oh, thanks! Oh, now I get it. Funny.
Now you know how to enunciate and articulate these common words correctly.
And to those who thought, I already knew all that. Well, I challenge you to go and look for difficult tongue twisters and see how well you do.
But in the meantime, remember to really work your facial muscles and enunciate slowly when you're practicing, just like Bruce Lee.
Practice with vocal warm-ups like the tip of the tongue, the lips, the teeth, several times when you wake up and before you go to bed.
And most effectively of all, find a friend with a strong command of the language and let him or her know to correct you when you're mumbling or enunciating words incorrectly. It'll take a long time to have crystal clear delivery. So be sure to take it slow and stay tuned to our upcoming videos.
Wait, we're done?
Yep, was I not clear enough?
As clear as your glasses. We hope that you learned and had fun in this video.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more communication tips.
So keep learning
Keep enjoying
and keep watching
Literally Speaking.